Childcare programs in Wyoming are focused on providing quality care by putting the safety and health of our children first. This is why learning the childcare licensing rules and knowing the proper steps for getting your license is important. You can find the childcare licensing rules on the Wyoming Department of Family Services website. Begin with Chapter 4, which covers general requirements, capacity and supervision requirements, provider, director, and staff requirements, certification standards, and parental rights. Chapters 5 through 7 specifically cover rules for family childcare homes, family childcare centers, and childcare centers. Once you're familiar with the licensing rules, it's time to complete an application. You can contact a licensor in your area and request an application or visit the DFS website to download one. Then, before turning in your application, you will need to gather or complete the additional paperwork and submit the $50 application fee. Details, downloadable forms, and instructions for these requirements are available on the DFS website. If you have any questions or need any assistance, contact your licensor or technical assistant. They're here to help you get this all figured out. Before assuming responsibility for unsupervised direct care of children, you will be required to complete pre-service training and facility orientation. Training will cover 12 topics, such as fire safety, first aid and CPR, medication administration, recognition and reporting of suspected abuse or neglect, nutrition, infant care and transport topics when appropriate, facility policies and procedures, and a review of the child care licensing rules. You will also be required to have training in the early learning standards. After your initial licensing, child care training credits will continue to be required. You will have 2 years to complete 32 training credits, and it will also be required to keep your child and adult CPR and first aid trainings and certifications current. You can find information on available trainings and training credits on the STARS website. STARS is also available to help you access trainings and answer questions. We realize that was a lot of information and that there are many steps to follow in order to become a licensed childcare provider in Wyoming. But that's because it's a very important job. If you have any questions or need any help going through the steps, contact your licensor or technical assistant. You also have the Department of Family Services website and STARS as resources. We're excited you have chosen the path to become a licensed childcare provider in Wyoming.